आ रही है। हैप्पी बर्थडे डार्लिंग, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nancy. The sweetest friend that I have. Love you. Mwah.
What a party, Nats. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Natasha. May you have the warmest of the birthdays, just like your hugs. They have been always great. And stay blessed and have a wonderful year ahead.
Natasha, Shubho Janmodin. Love you so much. তোমাকে অনেক 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 ভালোবাসি।
Happy birthday, Nancy. You have been a great friend of mine. It was lovely meeting you about almost over 2 years back, and I love your
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nats. We love you.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Hi, Natasha. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pushu. I love you. Happy birthday, Nats.
Happy birthday, Nats. Lots of love.
I wish Natasha the best birthday possible because she's the most wonderful person that I know.
Very happy birthday to you. You're the nicest human being I have ever come across in my life. You are a big blessing. Love you.
Hi Anusha, hi Pishi. Last year Pishi you turned sweet 16 and this year you're only getting younger, so I wish you a very happy and a sexy 17. I wish you an amazing, a very positive, a very warm, a very lovely, fantastic birthday. Because I'm sure anybody watching this will agree that this, that you describe all these qualities in you. And I dedicate this song Dancing Queen to you because you really are the dancing queen of our family. And one more thing, Arusha, I think you're doing a fab job baby by doing this and compiling this together for your mother. It's really special. I'm sorry guys, I'm not there to join the celebrations as much as I would have loved to. But nonetheless, Pishi, I genuinely wish you a long life ahead and an amazing year ahead. Lots of love.
Nuts. Many happy returns of the day. And may your birthday be as wonderful as the person you are. And just to add a little more fun on your birthday, I have got this old pic of ours. You remember this? And the creativity on this is done by Abhinav. So don't frown at me. Let me also read you my favorite passage from Mother's teaching. Her message on the birthdays. Let this day be of your birth be for you an occasion to give yourself a little more, a little better to the divine. Let your consecration be more total, your devotion more ardent, your aspiration more intense. Open yourself to the new light and walk with a joyful step on the path. Resolve on this day that it may be thus and the day will not have passed in vain. Lots of love, have fun, see you soon.
Natasha, I still have party. Wishing you many happy returns of the day, dear. Wishing you the same happiness, the same joy that you inject in me each time when we meet. Through your warm hug, through your beautiful eyes, smiling face. And you know what? I believe that life is an echo. Whatever you give, you get back that in multiples. And here's wishing you in multiples the joy, happiness and the contentment you deliver each time when we meet. And of course, lots of shopping, holidays and any number of other things your heart desires. Wishing you rocking your head, have a fabulous year ahead and may God's best be with you today and always. Happy birthday, dear.
Mubarak Motosa. Happy birthday to you. You're like the nutty body. You're nutty and your body. You're like soaked inside with nice chocolate and nuts outside. Don't get any ideas. Happy birthday. Have a great birthday and many happy. Thank you. Bye.
Nats. The mandate given by Rushta is to say something about mum in under 1 minute. A beautiful gesture, but under 1 minute is the problem. But here I'm going to attempt it nevertheless. From the time we met, so it's been 5 years if you remember. From the time we met, I've seen like you in multiple dimensions, you know. So I've seen you play multiple roles. I've seen various aspects of your personality where you're actually you're a great cook, you're a great mother, you love your baby, a pet lover, spiritual, a dog lover, all of that. But one thing that stands out for me, that there is this very, very free-spirited woman who loves living life wayside, and that's what I love about you. So don't change, stay the same. And thank you for coming in my life. Thank you for making me believe that not everything can be planned and everything doesn't have a logical ending. And there are times that we have to believe in serendipity. We have to believe in the magic of going with the flow. So thanks for reinforcing that. And trust me, each time I'm stuck and I don't see a logical end to something, I still let go and it works. It works like magic. So thanks a lot. Have a great 43rd birthday, and I love you lots. Remember that you're gonna get wrinkles before I do. Yes, that's true. But my love for you is gonna be wrinkle-free all life long. Okay? So on that note, have a great birthday. Love you lots, and see you soon.
Hi Natasha. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day from one of your bestest friends, Takla friends. May you have a great day ahead. Here's wishing you loads of marathons, the real ones. You know, I hope you progress from your 2K marathons to a 21K half marathon in Airtel. And please continue to make the best of your yummy dishes that you make, the prawns and the fish. And please keep inviting me much more than you do. Looking forward to a great day here in your house today, and wishing you all the best. Bye.
My rockstar, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Natasha. You're a true rock star. You've always been this inspirational heartache. I wish you all the best for the next year. May all your dreams come true. You're the first person I met from Connecticut, and together we have made all the dreams come true. We have created the City Gurgaon baby together, and I just love the discussions that we have, unending. You're such a multifaceted personality. We discuss prayers, we discuss 50 Shades of Grey, and I just love being in your company. Thank you so much for being there for us always. Have a great day. You're a truly blessed person. Love you so much. Happy birthday.
Hey Nats, happy birthday darling. This whole month, it's like such a festive feel because it's your birthday and you are so excited and you infect everybody with that, and the whole month has that August cheer to it. So I want to just tell you that when I think of you, I think that you and I defy that whole idea of the fact that we don't make friends later in life. But I found you just 2 years ago, and I can't believe that I haven't known you for all my life, and it's just amazing how we connect as birthday twins and soulmates and friends. I feel so blessed that you're close by and I can reach out to you whenever I want to. And you're such a joyful person that it's just hard to put you down on so many fronts, and you make everybody perk up just with your laugh and just with your attitude to life. Thanks for being you. Lots of love, and wish you all the good things that life has to offer.
Hey Nari, happy birthday. On your special day, let me dedicate one of my favorite songs to you. Rocking artist Seal, and the great song, When I'm There I'll Play It For You. And you're never gonna survive unless you get a little free. That's you. Stay foolish, stay up. Have a great one.
Hey Rati, happy birthday to you, to my bestest friend, sister, childhood friend, and the list goes on. We had a good time, fantastic time, and continue to do so. You have a lovely family, lovely daughters, and a lovely man, Aloksana. Enjoy your birthday, and all the best wishes and love. Have a lovely day, bye. Take care, bye.
Hi Rati, surprised? It's your day. Abundance of wishes on your birthday, and it's all Arusha's effort. Keep spreading the happiness. Enjoy the day to the fullest, and my treat is due. and hope we remain the childhood buddies forever. God bless you. Bye.
I start?
Yeah.
Start. Okay. Hey Nat, wishing you a very, very, very happy 25th birthday.
28?
It's her 25th birthday.
No.
Because I'm 20, so she's 25. So, wishing you a very, very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead, my soul sister. I will love you and love you lots. And may you have a great year. Hope to see you in Bombay much more often. And hope you travel a lot more, which you always want to do. And big hug.
Happy birthday, Natasha. Okay, correction, not Natasha, Nats. Won't forget that in a hurry. I know what you like now. Just wanting to say, wishing you a year full of happiness, health, loads of cycling and some running. We'd love to have you running more than you do. Basically spending more time with you than we do. I use the word we purely because I think I got close to you because of the whole running thing. Cherish every moment I've spent with you in the last 1 year. Running, not otherwise, parties, just hanging out with you. I have to say, your hug comes from your tummy. Love every second of it. It's actually what I look forward to when I see you. Apart from that, I think you're a really lucky woman. You're a mother to two gorgeous girls who are going to be just like you when they grow up. And just love you, babe, and stay the way you are. And really, all the best for everything in the future.
What the heck? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natasha. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy birthday, Natasha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What? You had to like that. Happy birthday, Ray.
Very happy birthday. Have a great day. I wish you all the happiness and success in life. I want to tell you that you are a wonderful person, a great mother, a great wife, and a superbly amazing friend. I know you're always there for me whenever I need it. It's amazing how you can see me sinking down and you just hold me and I come up. Thank you so much for being into my life and being around there for me. You have this positive energy around you which makes you attract all your friends towards you, and you can see how Jumana has flown down specially to be with you on your birthday. When you make friends, they're just for life. And I don't know, whatever I say about you is really less. There's much, I can just go on and on and about you. So have a great day, have a wonderful year ahead, and just keep smiling and always stay exciting like this.
Happy birthday, Natasha! We love you! Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kisses.
Have a great day.
Have a super duper day. Love you very much. Wish we were there.
Come to Bombay.
Okay. Hi darling girl. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. And oh god, I'm nervous. This is the mic. Okay. And so what I want to say is that I remember the first day that we met. I know it sounds like a romantic story, but thank you to Inara and Arsha for introducing us. I remember seeing another mother in the Uniworld garden looking as lost as I was, and then we said hello. And
hello, this is my future.
Okay, and then that's when the whole journey started. You know, Natasha, you're one of the most lovable, adorable, amazing people, and I feel blessed to have you as a friend. And when I look at Inara and Naisha, and I see the friendships they are developing, I just hope and pray to God that they are as deep and meaningful as ours is. Love you very much, baby. Have a good one. Mwah.
Hey, Natasha. Have a nice time. Be happy.
Happy birthday, Natasha. Have a great time.
Hi, Natasha. Happy birthday. Have a great time. Yo-yo. Say, Mama. It's a happy birthday. Have a nice time. Have a nice. আজকে তো জন্মদিনের দিন, আমি তোকে অনেক আদর ভালোবাসা শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। ঠাকুরের কাছে প্রার্থনা করছি যে তুই আলোক, রুম্পি, আরশিয়াকে নিয়ে অনেক সুখে শান্তিতে ঘর কর, আর জীবনে তোরা অনেক এগিয়ে যা, এটাই আমার ঠাকুরের কাছে প্রার্থনা। আমি বাড়িতে একলা বসে বসে শুধু তোর কথা মনে করছি আর ভাবছি যে সেই ছোটোবেলাকার এক একটা ঘটনা তোদের মনে হয় আমার, এই নিয়েই আমার দিন কাটছে। তোরা ভালো থাকিস, এইটুকুই আমার প্রার্থনা।
Pompi dear, a very happy birthday on 24th of August. I remember it is the other day you were born in 1972. Time flies away. You are our versatile daughter, and I remember an English proverb which says, you are not fully dressed until you wear a smile on your face. You always wear a smile. I have seen many of your photographs from your very early days, from your childhood. In all the photographs you kept smiling. So that's an infectious disease. When you smile at others, people smile at you. So keep smiling today and tomorrow, and make every day a day of achievement. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Hi Pomps. I think your birthday being just round the corner, brilliant idea that Arusha put up, although we are a little late, so apologies to Arusha for that. But for you, as always, being the best sister in the world that one can ever have, my best wishes, and wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and beyond the entire year and infinity. That's all that I wish for you. It was a day which was the Raksha Bandhan, when you landed on this earth as a darling sister to me, and you've always been that. Lots and lots of love. Missing you. Stay happy, stay blessed, take care.
Hello, excuse me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama.
Happy birthday to you.
Love you, John.
Love you, Mama.
Okay. Yeah, we love you very much. Happy birthday.
I love you, Mama.
It's a lot of love, basically.